So today I am going to be doing a review on the Jason palette. Horror movie queen right here. Spill that tea, sis! It is the perfect season to do so. So I am doing it right now. I hope you guys enjoy. And yes, hi. Okay, let's get started. So here's the palette. I got this on Hot Topic website and I did a whole Hot Topic haul. So if you guys want to see what else I got for the spooky month, that link will the link will be down below. Go watch it. Woo! So here is the makeup palette. It's very similar to the Freddy Krueger one. So if you guys didn't see the Freddy Krueger one, if you guys want to see the colors, I do not know what colors are in here at all. You guys can go watch that video. I'll also link that down below too. I love horror movies, so to combine makeup and horror movies together, I knew I had to do 2 videos on this because it's just so different, something that I've never seen on YouTube. It's perfect season right now to do it, and it's something that I'm interested in too. So this one is called the No Place to Hide eyeshadow palette. That's like so creepy. And it has Jason's face right here. And on the back, we have a very similar thing to the Freddy Krueger, and it's Jason there with a huge knife. And it says Friday the 13th, head on back to Camp Crystal Lake with a killer fashion palette. Arm yourself with this metallic neutrals palette. Ooh, neutrals. Be bold with strong metals, or keep it casual with rich mattes. Use shadows individually or blend together to contour, highlight, and line eyes, create a flawless natural eye, or apply more shade for darker definition. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Oh, it's falling. There's no place to hide, so let's open this. All right, so on the inside, we have a mirror, which it has like a shot with a blood splatter. And it says, welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. The palette's like very like bloody and dark and gloomy. And then the colors here, I am not really feeling that much just by the looks of them. I feel like they're kind of just like, but you never know what the look we could create. These are very like neutral, so it's not gonna be like as crazy and colorful as the last palette. So the shades are Crystal Lake, which is like a metallic mossy color. Voorhees, which is Jason's last name, because he is a person. We gotta give him a name. He's not just a mask. And that one's like a metallic-y, dark, like prune color. Immortal, which is a, oh my god, thank goodness. This is what I wanted in the last palette. This is a like shiny, or like a metallic-y, like a highlight color for like under your eyes or in your inner corner, a nice like crystal-y color. They should have called that Crystal Lake. But what do I know about designing palettes? I don't. Then we have Summer Camp, which I think is my favorite in there. It's a beautiful green. Like that green stands out to me. Then we have Counselor, which is like a peach color. Peach palette is shaking. And then, oh, I was like, what's Ch-Ch-Ch-Ha? And I was like, it's, this shade name is literally like a shade name that's a sound effect. They're literally living in 2040. It's like a wine color. Then there was They Were Warned. It's like a camely color. And then Jason Lives, which is a nice like base shade. Ignore my lash extensions. They're all falling off. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Urban Decay Primer Potion all over the lids. Just the original one, because there are quite neutral colors in this palette. Who knew Jason Voorhees liked neutral makeup? It's news to me. Oh my god, I love eyelid massages. If your man doesn't massage your eyelid. Okay, with a fluffy brush, I'm just taking that Jason Lives color and I'm just gonna put it just randomly in the crease just to give me like a base. I'm gonna kind of put it everywhere just so we have some shadows to blend onto. I feel like it blends a lot better if you're blending shadow on shadow. It's just my personal preference. Okay, I'm taking Counselor because it's a very nice starting shade for me. It's like a really nice pale pink. I mean, it looks like it's blending well, but I think it's just so light that I can't tell yet. 6 figures, I was only born. I went to camp once and we had to go canoeing, and your girl doesn't canoe. So I said that I was really sick, and they were like, oh, well, you weren't sick when you were eating s'mores like an hour ago. I was like, oh yeah, I'm sick from the s'mores. I don't know why me being in like boats in the water, I just, not a fit, not a pairing. I'm putting all over my lid. These are very, very powdery shadows. They're not going on that smooth, especially not this color. Oh, yucky, yucky. I'm not going all the way to the inner corner. Okay, not my favorite consistency, but whatever. Okay, I mixed Jason Lives and Counselor together. And I'm gonna blend in the inner corner because I don't want it to like purpley on the inner corner because I don't want to look like Jason literally came and stabbed me in the eye. Leave in the comments what your favorite horror movie or horror movie character is. I really want to know. My favorite horror movie is probably Insidious. And my favorite horror movie character, I would say Beetlejuice, even though he's not really a horror movie, but he's like what I think of. Like this is actually really pretty look together. It's like blending in so nicely. How many zoom you in so you can see my masterpiece. Like if you're new here, I always say, holy shit, I almost knocked over everything. No, that's not what I always say. Actually, yeah, it is.
See what we have inside. Oh, it's falling.
I'm not a makeup artist. If you came here because you're like, oh, look at, she's doing great makeup. Oh, she doesn't really have good skills. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just like an average person, just, you know, like liking makeup. I'm gonna take some of this Voorhees color, dark purple. I'm gonna put it like up here. Why? Because Jason told me to. Come on, Voorhees. Apparently it was like pat it and then blend it up. Let's see if that works. Pat it and blend. It just looks like a piece of poop now on my lid. I don't like it. I like this better. But we have to match it up. Okay, because I want to soften this purple, because I didn't want it that dark, I'm just gonna take the Jason Lives color and with a huge fluffy brush, just go right over it so it smokes it raw. Okay, now I'm gonna take more of that color and go in the crease because I want to see more of that like pinky. It feels like it's like purpley on the pan here, but when I put it on my lid, it's like pink. Take this Immortal and it better be blinding. Oh, it actually is. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, my cat's knocking over all my makeup. Can you hear it in the background? That's what he does. He either eats my makeup, like literally eats it, like he'll, like, I'm not kidding. I don't understand why. Or he'll knock it all over. One time we had our furnace. It wasn't broken. Okay, what actually happened was it wasn't plugged in all the way. So in the, not furnace, what the hell? Like the dryer, because it like dries and goes like this, the plug came slightly out of the wall. So we thought it was broken. So we called a guy to come fix it. And as he walked by my makeup room, there was like makeup all over the floor because my cat had knocked it over. And he goes, oh, what a messy room. First of all, it's clean. Second of all, my cat knocked it over. And third of all, if you don't be nice to me, I'm calling him after you, okay? Because there's no place to die. I'm gonna put some of this right under here because we really like to be a snow globe. Look at this blinding color. Like every other color is like kind of like not easy to work with. It doesn't really blend. And then this color's like bam. And also, why are you commenting on other rooms in the house and their cleanliness? Like, aren't you here to fix the furnace? So fix the furnace. And if the furnace room's messy, be like, oh, your furnace room's messy. Annoying. Now, should we do green under there? I love that summer camp color. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, I kicked the camp. This movie's all about like summer camp and stuff. And I don't know, I didn't really have good times at summer camp. I'm not the outdoorsy type. I don't like people and, you know, like swimming in a lake and singing Kumbaya by the fire. Like, I don't know, that's not me, but I went with my cousin and like the best cousin in the world. Like, you guys don't even know. Your lives would have improved. Even if they're like the best lives ever, they would have even improved from that if you had my cousin as your cousin. Seriously, my cousin is amazing. So she was with me and it made it like 100 times better, and we like literally ran havoc at that camp. Like, okay, now I'm gonna take that, what is it? Crystal Lake color, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner here. Ooh. I really like this look actually. Look, it's like pink sparkle. Pink sparkles gets money. What if I like I dropped my brush and I hit, oh my god, it's green now there. No, they're very powdery shadows, but I like the novelty of it because it's Halloween. Okay, I've always said Halloween my whole life, but a lot of people on YouTube say Halloween, like, because it is Hallows Eve, so it should be Halloween, but I've always said Hallow. Hallow be thy name. How are you doing? I really like it. I wasn't expecting to get this look from a Jason palette. I'm gonna try to get all this fallout away. Very light swipe. I mean, it went like a little tinge of green, but I mean, hey, if it's Halloween season, you might want to have that decrepit look. I'm taking this MAC concealer pencil, and I'm going on my waterline to brighten up the look even more, because I really like this look. Next, I'm taking the Falsies mascara and just coating my bottom lashes. So at camp, I got chosen, because like every night, after supper, after cleanup, like at night, we would all go to like back to the supper place. Like, I don't know what it was called, like some like hall. I don't know. Was it the mess hall? But it wasn't a mess. Games and challenges and stuff like that every night. And then this one day, my camp counselor literally came up to me and she was like, Samantha, I said, yeah. She's like, you've been chosen. And I'm like, am I going into the Hunger Games? Like, is Jason Voorhees coming to kill me? Like, what have I been chosen for? Like, I'm good. Like, I don't want it. I'm not going in the canoe. And she's like, oh, every whatever night, we, you know, randomly choose a camp member from each place to be part of this, like, creating bad cookies. I'm not kidding. This is not a joke. Like, I'm dead serious. And I was like, okay. She's like, so take a walk with me while everyone goes to this like hall thing. I'm like, it was like in the field. She's like, walk with me. I'm like, I'm gonna get killed. So I did, and she's like, what's your favorite color? What's your middle name? Where do you live? What's your favorite pet? I was like, what? Like a camp story time. It became like a camp story time. And so I was telling her all these things, and she's like, okay, my favorite color is this. And because the reason why she was saying this is because they asked you questions, like, so every like person that they selected, like every camp person would sit at the front, and then their camp counselors would sit behind them, and a guy would like read off these questions like, Samantha, what's your camp counselor's favorite food? And like if I was like, I don't know, if I got it wrong, something disgusting would be added to our cookies. So it would start off with like a sugar cookie base, and then like if I got a question wrong about my camp counselor, which I like literally just met, like I knew who she was, but like I didn't know all this shit about her. Like how would I know what her favorite like childhood song was, like, right? And if I didn't know it, like there'd be like literally like dog food put into these cookies, and I'm like, I'm explaining to you guys the 90s. Like this was the 90s. Like nowadays, I bet parents would be like, this is an outrage. You can't serve our kids dog food. But like literally in the 90s, it was like, here's dog food for your children. Like, thank you for sending them to camp, hee hee. Like that's how it was. Then everyone at the front had to eat their cookies after. So some would have like literally just like sugar cookies with like cheeseburger in them, and like other people would have like disgusting sugar cookies with like, I don't even know, like everything you could think of. Okay, so like I was on the line here to answer these questions about somebody I don't even know. Anyways, that was the look. I just brushed my lash extensions. How are you doing today? Why did I buy this? I literally just thought this was cool. And I'm not trying to look like Jason. This is not gonna go down, is it? I'm just trying to do a spooky review, okay? This is my pet, Gila. Hello, my pets. What the heck? Literal wig snatched. What am I? Hello. Hello. Ow! I think I just popped an Oreo. I leaned down and who knows why I have this. I'm just like, ooh, got a knife. I have a knife. Cool. Okay, then I bought dry blood. So let's put on some dry blood. Great for all your bloody wounds. Safe and non-toxic. May stain clothes. Do not put in mouth, eyes, ears, or nose. So, oh, it's really bloody. Look at it. Test some on my hand. Ooh, it really does look like blood. Ouch. I wonder if this is what those fake prank channels use on YouTube. Just put like some like, owie, 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 owie. Ow. Oh my god, it literally looks like a Blair Witch Project symbol. Okay, let me go like this away from it. Oh, I was shocked. What if I put some like crying out of my eye? Like, that's too far? Is that too far? Blooding out of my nose. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna drip. This has become a satanic movie. Oh no, don't go in my mouth. Wait, didn't it just say not put in your nose?
Do not put in mouth, eyes, ears, or nose.
Girl, bye. Help. I don't think I should be breathing that in. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some black lipstick with my knife. This is Kylie lipstick in Dead of Night. I'm actually obsessed with this look right now. I don't know what it is. Hi, how are you? Oh, you don't like me? Well, come here! Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm actually loving this look. This wig is itchy. And you better like it too. Thumbs up this video or else. Oh. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A thumbs up would be very happy for me. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you can very well do so, and I would be extremely happy for you, and I'm happy for everyone that's happy, and bye.